Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be using my favourite palette ever. This is the Subculture Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first shade I'm going to be taking is Dawn, and I'm just going to be putting this directly in my crease, itchy ear, and then using that fluffy brush from Kylie Cosmetics is it? I'm just going to be buffing that up into the brow bone as well. Just making sure it's really seamlessly blended. And then the second shadow I'm going to go into is in the shade Fudge. I'm going to be taking this on a slightly smaller blender brush this time, still keeping it within my crease, but the reason I'm using a smaller blender brush is because I want it to be more precise. And then just going back in with that second blending brush and just going to be blending those two shades together just for a more seamless blend. And then I'm just wanting to furthermore build up the intensity in my crease and like the darkness. So I'm going to go in with the shade Rowdy. This is like a very, very dark brown, but it also has a purple undertone. Then taking that first brush, I'm just going to be blending those three shades together to make it just look a wee bit more seamless. And also the Subculture palette does have a bit of a repetition, so the way I like to work this is I just like to take my time. And then again, going on with the Rowdy shade, I'm just going to be packing this just on the outer corner, just in preparation for our next step, which is cutting the crease. And then just gently giving that a wee bit of a blend. Using the Morphe concealer and a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics concealer brush, I'm just going to cut my crease. So I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm just going to be taking it 3/4 way in along my lid. And then once I have that done, I'm just going to go over that concealer and just give it a wee bit of a pat just to take off any excess concealer, because I don't want it to be too wet or too tacky for then going on with another shade. And I'm also going to use that concealer just to buff at the edge of the concealer, because I do not like to have a very harsh line, so I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm just going to take the shade Adorn in the palette. I'm just going to take this on a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to pack this just basically on the center of the eye and also bringing it out onto the outer corner also. Then taking my favorite shade in the palette, which is in the shade Electric, I'm also just going to pack this just on the inner corner. It does need a wee bit of work and it wasn't really working for me, so then I took the Colourpop shadow in the shade Glowsticks. It's just a very neon yellow green, and I'm just going to pack this on with my finger, because I find with this Colourpop shadows they do work best when applied with the finger. Then taking the shade Rowdy again, just going to pack that on the outer corner just to build up that depth a wee bit more, and also bring up into the crease also, because I kind of thought that we lost it a wee bit whenever we were applying the Adorn shade. Now I am aware I do look a wee bit crazy here, but I really wanted something a wee bit more extra, so I took the LA Splash Hawaiian Fizz Crystallized Glitter, and I just placed that just on the yellow portion of the eye, just for a wee bit of pop of something, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I actually just got this new today from Beauty Bay, it arrived, and I'm honestly so happy. And then to finish off the look, I applied the Blinksy lashes in the style Glam. And then to finish off my lower lash line, I took the shades Fudge and Rowdy, and the two of them shades just together. I'm just going to blend that along my lower lash line, bringing it right into the inner corner. I am going to start by packing them shades on and then just blending and packing just as I go. And then taking that colour from Colourpop again, I'm just going to take a wee bit of that just on a flat brush, and I'm just going to place this just in the inner corner and slightly under at my lower lash line. And then just like the lid, I'm going to apply the LA Splash Hawaiian Fizz Glitter. And this is me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and all the details will be in the description box, and I hope to see you all in my next video.